Hi, I'm Kit, Creative Director of New Media Design. I've been helping businesses grow, launch, and stand out through design and strategy for over 20 years. I work directly with my clients, no account managers or junior staff, just beautiful design paired with loads of experience and the business and technical know-how that you need. If you want a brand, if you want an optimized website, or if you simply want guidance for your brand or digital strategy, I'm in your corner. I blend great design with strategic business thinking. We want your brand to look amazing, but also to really work. My clients stick with me long term because I become a part of their team. I make the process simple and focused on results. If you want to manage your website fully after launch, I'll empower you to do that. If you need a little extra help or support along the way, I'm right here. So if you're ready for a brand or a website that looks and performs like a superstar, let's chat. I'm all about using design strategically to move your business forward.